guys, and welcome to my October 2021 Ipsy Glam bag unboxings, which again, I've got two of them, so, at least currently, so, oh boy, for the first one, I mean the bags are the same, but can we talk about how cute it is? It is very Rocky Horror, is it not? I love it. And the pull chain is a little green lipstick. I love it, it's like hefty, I'm like, oh, I love it. But yeah, so there's one item that doesn't fit in the bag, and it's a Murad. It's the Resurgence Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream, which, okay, for being in the regular base, oh, that's why, I was like, that's a good size, but, oh, I see. Okay, that makes more sense. Is there info about it on the card? I bet there is. Let's pop that back in there first, then grab the card, and then we'll read about it. You know how we do. Okay. October 2021. Pretty wicked. Fangs out, lipstick on. This month, embrace the unconventional, vampy lips, rich shadows, pitch black vanties, and you just might want some more. Okay, no tricks here, just treats. Dig into your 5 new glam bag products, valued at $50+. Yeah, so the first one on there is the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. This is a deluxe sample size. The full-size version would be $82. So yeah, they're not giving us the full size in the normal glam bag, but still cool to see even a sample in here. This potent night cream doesn't mess around when it comes to anti-aging. It uses time-released retinol, the gold standard when it comes to helping to minimize lines and wrinkles and to help smooth, soften, hydrate, and plump too. Tip, apply this to cream to clean, dry skin, or as the last step in your nighttime skincare routine. Not bad. So next thing in here is, of course, my choice item, and this is the Sugar Cosmetics Tipsy Lips Moisturizing Balm in Mojito. So this is full size, and it's a $9 lip balm, so. Make dry lips a thing of the past with this ultra-nourishing balm. It's made with vitamin E, jojoba oil, and shea butter, deeply moisturize and help eliminate flakes, chapping, and cracks. And the yummy mojito flavor, it imparts instant vacay vibes every time you swipe it on. They put one, but they meant on. Tip, for best results, exfoliate your lips with a gentle scrub first, then swipe on this balm, because anyone doesn't know how lip balm works. Anyway. Next in here, this is full size. So this is the Lottie London Wing Woman Liquid Eyeliner in black. So this retails for $7. Finally, an eyeliner that actually requires no touch-ups. That would be great! This ultra-pigmented formula glides on easily and lasts for hours so your liner looks fresh from your morning coffee to happy hour and beyond. No smearing, smudging, or fading. Yeah, we'll see about that. I doubt it. I doubt it. Tip, for a precise line, use the fine tip of the pen. For a bolder line, turn the tip on its side. Okay, that's, again, pretty basic liquid liner rules. But yeah, I like it. Next, we've got a little deluxe sample size of the Goldfaden MD Dr. Scrub Ruby Crystal Derm Exfoliator. Ooh, ruby! Ruby, oh, fancy. So this is a deluxe sample size. The full size retails for $38. Again, fancy, fancy. An Ipsy HQ fave. This much beloved scrub features ruby crystals to help polish away dead skin cells to help create a brighter, tighter complexion. Moisturizing jojoba oil, firming seaweed extract, and plumping hyaluronic acid work together to help keep skin radiant even if it's dull and dreary out. Tip, sensitive skin, use this 2 to 3 times a week to help keep your skin happy. Well, yeah, you're not supposed to exfoliate every day, just saying. That'd be awfully rough on your skin. Then last thing in here, I would imagine this is a sample size. This is Woma by Sharon C. Batter Boom Au Naturel Volumizing Mascara in Blackest Black. I'm like trying to see where the hell does it even say that, but I guess it's on the end of it. But yeah, this is definitely a deluxe sample size. Full size is $8. This innovative formula is proof that plant-based mascaras are just as good as the conventional kind. It's made with a special brush and natural ingredients like argan oil and castor seed oil to make your lashes longer, thicker, and stronger. P.S. It comes in a recyclable packaging too. Tip, gently wiggle wand back and forth across the lashes to increase thickness. Again, that's literally just how mascara works, but okay. Whatever. So let's just pop these back in here for now, or we'll do the other bag. Oh, that box could have fit in there. Why didn't they just stick it in there to begin with? Oh, actually, no, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. I thought it did, but now that I'm trying to zip it, it's like, ha, no. I'll give it one more shot. Oh, I got it too. I got it too. What are they talking about? They don't know what they're talking about. Okay. Other one. And another one. That also comes with the same Murad product, so I do have twice as much, even though they're sample sizes. Alright. So, card come out. So we can skip the Murad, because we already read about that. And it also has the same mascara, so we can skip that. But again, I have twice as much, because I do have two. This was my choice item in this one. This is the Tony Moly Plumpkin Retinol Eye Cream. It's a deluxe sample size. Full size is $25. Lightweight yet super potent, this eye cream uses retinol, the gold standard of anti-aging ingredients, and pumpkin extract. It's high in vitamins and antioxidants to help plump, smooth, and firm your eye area. Tip, use your ring finger to gently tap this cream under your eyes. Now, I'm sorry, but I'm not the only one that hears the word plumpkin and thinks of, plumpkin. Yeah, I can't get past that. I'm sorry, I just can't. Okay, this is a deluxe sample of This Works in Transit No Traces. Full size is $27. For a 60 count, there's 12 in this. These cleaning pads make it easy to remove makeup, excess oil, and build up on the go while nourishing your skin thanks to rose water and sweet almond oil at the same time. P.S. They're biodegradable and made with natural ingredients, too. Tip, morning and night massage pad over the face to remove dirt and makeup. That's pretty cool, but $27 for 60. Kinda ouch. Kinda ouch. And then the last thing in here is the Sugar Cosmetics Plush Crush Creme Crayon in Mauve Mama. Ooh, does it say Mauve Mama on it somewhere? Yeah, it does. Okay. So this is full size, and this is a $17 lip crayon. Ooh. So, a pair of sunnies and a swipe of this lip crayon equals your new 2-second beauty look. It coats lips in a deep mauve color that stays fresh from your morning coffee to evening cocktails. They are really just copy-pasting the same things over and over from item to item. And the cream texture, it's infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E to help keep your lips soft and supple. Tip, swipe on cleaning exfoliated lips, apply more layers for more intensity. So, that's what I got in October in my beauty bags from Ipsy. So, I do also have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus to open for October still too, which, I mean, that one at least, there's more in that one. I did a bunch of add-ons there, but I only have the one bag, so anyway. That's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Hit that subscribe button if you're not. Make sure you also hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. If you'd like to become an Ipsy member, I left the referral link down in the description box, so there's that as well. Leave comments down below. What are you the most excited to see me review first? Let me know that, as well as anything about anything. What did you get in your October bags, if it's still recent enough to remember? Anything about anything, really. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.